Hi everybody, this is Chris from Turning Point Life Investment, TPLI, and we're going to do a video about basically the Russell and some other stocks that I've been looking at. I'm going to be doing some iron condors this Friday on the RUT, so let's take a look at the 5-year weekly view first of the RUT and see what's going on. One of the main things we can see is around 850 to 855, you could say, is the 2007 highs for the RUT. And looking at this weekly view, we can see that the RUT is really trying to approach it. It's about 20 points away or so. It looks to be in a nice uptrend on the weekly view, and that's just, we can't argue with the trend. It's still up, so we can't short the RUT as much as we would want to. If I'm going to be doing some bear call spreads, I'm definitely going to be doing it above this 850 level. See, however as high as I can get above there for safe bear call spreads. And then first support is going to be 750, which is actually this prior high right here, which was resistance, and then if it pulls back, it's going to test it as support. So if I'm going to be doing some bull put spreads, for sure it's going to be under 750. If I can get even lower than that, around 700 or so, where there's 50-week exponential moving averages, I would definitely want to do so. But those are the critical support levels for the RUT based on the weekly view. This is a 6-month daily view of the RUT, and we're just going to basically zoom into the daily views. One of the major things we can see is stochastics is overbought as the RUT continues up higher. Main thing I noticed is that the 14th, or the 11th actually, was last week. I believe last Friday, when the RUT broke to a new high, and then the 14th was Monday and the RUT broke out even higher, and then today on Wednesday the RUT made another new high. So I still stick to the thing where I believe that the RUT is just basically going to be along with the rest of the market, it's just gonna make a move up, breakout, sideways trend. Now it's moving up, broke out, and I just believe some more sideways movement, even to a slight pullback before it does decide to continue to go higher as well. There's no major resistance levels on the daily view, especially since the RUT broke out to a new high today, so I wouldn't be worrying about any resistance for the short term. Daily view, yeah, we could definitely, I'm going to say the 775 level, and even under that to this low right here, like this is around 771. This is going to be the first support level on the daily view. If the RUT does break under this, it is going to move lower as well, so I would expect some type of a trend change, but the trend is still up even though the stochastics are in overbought conditions. But definitely, so if I do my iron condors on Friday, most likely I will be more aggressive on the bull put side of things, and less aggressive on the bear call spreads. A couple other of positions that I actually have on right now is URS. I actually got it when it broke above this 46 level. When it broke above 46, that's when I got it, and it's currently at 47.26. I'm really aiming for this 48 level, but depending on the market conditions, I might just take some profits and maybe move up my stops as well. Another stock that I recently got into is IP International Paper. I got into it, I believe, yesterday. It broke out above this $30 level yesterday on Tuesday, and you can say it's an ascending triangle as well. Today there really was no follow-through, and I wasn't too excited because this break, yesterday's break, wasn't really on high volume, but there was high volume on this white candle confirming the rising support line. So I'm still bullish. I mean, I'm still in this stock, and if it returns back into the range, then I'm most likely going to be out. But my first target's around $31.50. Let me see if we can see something on the weekly view. No, we can't really see anything on the weekly view that I can show you on the charts, but around $31, was that around here? $31.50 is my first target.